YouTube? It's your boy Ghost in the 57 back with another video. And yes, if you looking at the video, my lip is swollen. I did break out this morning. Don't know why I've been breaking out, but me and my boy Nero for to go to the gun range. I'm gonna tell y'all how crazy this shit is. My Draco broke yesterday. He got his Hell Pup. I was gonna do a Draco versus Hell Pup video. Can't even do that. So we finna go to the range, and I'm finna do some shooting. Basically, the shooting that I'm finna be doing is basically practicing for my armed security shit. Cause I did just get my armed security license. So I'm finna show y'all what type of shots I need to be taking. Let me grab the book real quick. So y'all boys, I got the booklet and this shit right here. So basically, hold on. So, this how you have to shoot. Damn, y'all still can't see it. There you go. 1 round to right target, 1 round to left target. 1 round to left target, 1 round to right target, and so forth. Then you got to do 3 targets to right. So basically, you basically, so with that, basically, you shooting with one hand, and then you switching to the other hand and doing the same thing. And with that, you got to be within a certain area to get a certain amount of score. The score you have to get is 300. The last time I did it, I think I had like 2 something. Like I know it was high too, like 280, 290. I'm not trying to say I'm a good ass shooter. The shit was just easy as hell, and I had to do it with my 9mm. So today we're gonna try to do it with the 9mm again, and then we're gonna do it with the 10mm. So I think I want to bring the 360 camera because it just been sitting in my room, and I could use that to get like videos and shit. So that's what we're gonna do. I should be hitting real soon. And then yesterday it was fucking snowing further in Miami, not Miami, but in Florida. Now I wanna be fucking cold in Florida. What happened if I wanted some snow, man? Like this some bullshit. Like y'all could give us a little snow. But I'm gonna take my 360 mount so I could record. Yeah, I can stick. Yeah, I'm gonna take my 360 mount. I ain't used this bitch in a little minute, but I'm gonna use this. Put the camera out there so y'all can see me shooting and shit like that. Oh, and I can use my mics. Yup, I'm gonna use my mics and shit. So yeah, this would be a good ass video, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna pick y'all up when I'm at my boy crib, waiting for him so we could take off. But yeah, that's it for now. So y'all boys, we at my dog crib. We about to slide to the range. I'm gonna pick y'all up once we get there.
Are you done already?
So YouTube, we're at the gun range, but we get eating right now. I already done fucked my plate up. I ain't playing no game with that motherfucker. Throw that bitch down. But we're at the gun range. Once we get inside, I'm gonna pick the camera back up. Yeah.
Pull that for you.
So y'all boys, this my dog Hell Pup. This bitch long as fuck. But this is shit. The Drake is broke. So yeah. So we got my boy with the Hell Pup.
You want to use some of the thing?
Good. So y'all boys, I'm finna shoot my homeboy Hell Pup. That bitch dunking. That shit is like the Drake, but it don't got as much kick. That's that Drake. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the longer barrel or what. But that bitch feel good.
Let me hit it, Drake.
I think I might have to get the mini Draco. But this bitch thumping. And that whole smoking. I'm gonna pick y'all back up once we get the rest of the shit loaded.
I know why it's doing that now. That's
Cause you keep hitting the button. Stop hitting the button.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Why are you shooting so high?
Headshot, you hitting straight.
Bro, you for the paper.
You kidding me or not?
no, that's not. Shit.
Headshot.
That big bitch kicking.
You shot all your bullets?
Yeah, I only put 5. Hey, that red dot is
You
on.
shoot the yacht. Do not shoot all my bullets up here.
Alright, I'm about to shoot a weapon. I'll be right back.
Go ahead. Let.
Yo, miss. Stop rapid firing, bro.
I'm having somebody else.
You look cool. Here's something. Oh my God! Look at those sparks. That bitch. Round shooter. Okay, you hit him. Okay. Okay. Ooh. You pull over there?
Yeah.
Hey, get this for the Hellcat.
Where the bullets at?
What's over there?
Oh.
There's some right here too.
Black glove and then the frontal.
Shoot, nigga. Bro, shoot this shit.
So you never shot before?
That bitch blown. All them bitches right there was motherfucking headshot.
Go ahead. Any questions, sir? Vamos a ir por here.
Pasó de nuevo aquí.
La sellamos, sir.
No, yo creo que sí.
So YouTube, we just got done shooting. We shot a lot of bullets. My dog said he spent like 500 in bullets. Yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna pick y'all up and we get into some other shit.